In this video, we will learn how to convert PNG file to PDF. So let's start. So here I open my folder and you can see here the one PNG file is available in this folder. You can check here the file type also, PNG file is mentioned here. And this is a one thumbnail of my video. I just double click on it. I show you the PNG file. So this is a PNG file. So this one thumbnail of my video. Okay, I just close this file and just right click on it to convert in PDF, and after that just click on the print option, and you can see here the print picture dialog box is open. First step is you have to select here the printer. To convert this PNG to PDF, just select the Microsoft Print to PDF. Then you can change here the paper size also. There are some paper size available, you can change accordingly. If you select a letter, you can see here the preview also changes on here, and with this you can change the page style also, the fill page photo and some default style available. So you just select and check the preview, and then you just print accordingly. And here have some option, copies of each picture. If you want only one copies of this picture, you can just mention here one. You can manually enter here, and you can just click on this drop down arrow and you can set accordingly. And after that just click on the print option, and here you can see the file type is a PDF document showing. I just select the download folder, and here I save my PDF. Okay, so I just enter here the pictures. Just I enter the pic and just click on the save, and here you can see the PDF is saved. So I just double click on here to open it, and you can see the PNG is converted in PDF. Okay, so this is a way you can convert your PNG file in PDF. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.